Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, serving millions of passengers every year. With such high traffic, getting to and from the airport can be a challenge, especially during peak travel times. That's why pre-booking your Istanbul Airport transfer can make your journey much smoother and stress-free. One of the main benefits of pre-booking your airport transfer is convenience. By arranging your transportation in advance, you can avoid long waits for taxis or public transportation. You'll also have peace of mind knowing that your ride is secured and waiting for you upon arrival. Another advantage of pre-booking your airport transfer is cost-effectiveness. Many transfer services offer discounted rates for online bookings, saving you money compared to hailing a taxi at the airport. Additionally, you can budget for your transportation in advance, without the risk of unexpected expenses. In addition to convenience and cost savings, pre-booking your airport transfer can also save you time. Instead of wasting precious moments trying to find a ride after a long flight, you can simply head straight to your waiting vehicle and be on your way to your destination. Overall, pre-booking your Istanbul Airport transfer is a smart choice for anyone traveling to or from the bustling airport. With benefits like convenience, cost-effectiveness, and time-saving, it's a decision that can enhance your travel experience. So don't wait until the last minute to book your airport transfer today and enjoy a stress-free journey.